Welcome to question 2 of the 2008 Mathematical Methods Exam 1. In this video we will be looking at the solution and examination advice for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. On the set of axes below, sketch the graph of f with the domain of the real number system excluding -1, where the rule f of x equals 2 minus 4 divided by x plus 1. Label all axis intercepts and label each asymptote with its equation. So first of all, we can think about the transformations that have occurred. So this 2 in that position is actually a translation of 2 units in the positive y direction, which means our asymptote is going to be up here when y equals 2. And we put that on with a straight dotted line, so that's y equals 2. The x plus 1 in this position is a translation of 1 unit in the negative x direction, so that means that another asymptote occurs here, and it has the equation of x equals -1. And now what we need to do is work out the axial intercepts. So first of all, we'll look at the y-intercept, which occurs when x equals 0. So we will have f of 0 equals 2 minus 4 over 0 plus 1, which simply equals 2 minus 4, which equals -2. Then we can determine the x-intercept, and to do that we let y equals 0 in our equation. So we have 0 is equal to 2 minus 4 over x plus 1. And then if we add 4 over x plus 1 to both sides, we have 4 over x plus 1 equals 2. And multiplying both sides of the equation by x plus 1, we get 4 equals 2 bracket x plus 1. And then we can divide both sides by 2 to give 2 is equal to x plus 1. And subtracting 1 from both sides, we get x equals 1. And now that we have all that information, we can sketch our graph. So this is a hyperbola. It's got a 1 over x part in it. So the rest is just a transformation of that graph. So we're going to have a hyperbola here and here. And this was the x-intercept at 1, 0. And this was the y-intercept at 0, -2. So that is the graph of f of x. So as you can see, 57% of students received all 4 marks, and this question was generally well done, with most students recognising that it was a hyperbola graph. Students are reminded to label asymptotes and or axial intercepts for graphs. In this question, students sometimes gave the wrong intercept. X equals 3 was common, and extra intercepts or no horizontal asymptotes were also errors that some students made. And as you can see, generated above is a computer's sketch of that same graph.